Meet Hire Mia, your new AI social assistant. With Mia, you can create an entire social campaign in just a few clicks. Whether you want to promote an event or a new blog post, Hire Mia can help draft social message copy for you. Have the link? Tell Mia that you need to create a social media campaign to promote your new blog post. You can give her more direction if you have a specific tone, call to action, or target audience you're trying to reach to. Once you submit your request, Mia will get to work. Mia creates a new document for unique content. You'll see a new document get added to your text editor. This is where Mia will draft your social messages. Once Mia is done writing, you can review your messages. If they're not quite right, you can ask Mia to make updates to the tone, add specific hashtags, and more. Or you can make edits yourself in the text editor. Not sure when to post your messages? You can ask Mia when the best time is to post, and she can give recommendations for your publishing schedule. Need inspiration for social graphics? You can even ask Mia to recommend ideas for images for each post as well. Create the perfect social media campaign with ease. Try it free and hire Mia today.